planting dreams where the cornfields sleep. Tiny voices echo through the trees, learning to live off the land with ease. We're planting seeds of love and care, fishing rivers, teaching how to share, hunting wisdom under sky so wide. Every child learns to stand with pride. Little hands tug at the plow, sweat on their brows, they're learning now. The sun keeps watch, the earth obeys. These fields will feed us better days. Mama's tired but her heart's still strong. We'll grow together where we all belong. Brother shows me how to tie a line, sister bakes bread from the wheat we find. We're the roots of tomorrow growing tall. Family first and that's the call. Mama smile lights the setting sun, raising us all to be as one. We're planting seeds of love and care, fishing rivers, teaching how to share, hunting wisdom under sky so wide. Every child learns to stand with pride. Bait the hook, cast the line. Patience is the fisherman's sign. A quiet lake, a humble prize, teaching young eyes to recognize